Hello, I hope you're doing so well. Today we're going to keep going through the design handbook and we are going to look at ideation and brainstorming. So I'm going to share my screen. Wonderful. So if you're in your design handbook, you scroll to ideate and prototype. These are essential standards we're going to focus on. I can develop solutions to a challenge or problem based on information from multiple sources of information. I can explain how my ideas meet users' needs with evidence. We're going to do the ideation and brainstorming solutions. You're going to, when you open it up, you're going to make a copy, file, make a copy. And when you go to make the link for that copy, make sure that access is changed from viewer to editor. You'll paste the link to your copy in your team's design handbook so everybody can access it and work on it together. Awesome. So the problem statement you did in the last document, redefining the problem. Right? The problem is blank, needs blank because blank. So in the last video, we did redefining the challenge. And we said, teachers need desk organization because they have a lot of materials. So it's one of the challenge statements that we came up with. Right? Ideate solutions 1. This is the time to be incredibly creative. No such thing as a bad idea. Put down all the ideas that you can think of. What if this? What if that? What if this? What if that? Right? You want to come up with more than 20 ideas, which may seem like a lot, but don't hesitate to be creative. Right? I really encourage you to every thought that comes in your head, you pop it out, right? And as your team discusses and comes up with solutions, the list should get pretty long. Right? So you'll have more than 20 ideas. Now you're going to look at all these ideas and say, man, what common ideas are we seeing? What themes and trends and patterns can I find between all of my ideas, and how can I group them, right? So if we're looking at the exemplar, which you can find over here, the problem is that teachers need tools to manage their spaces, right? How do we create a product that organizes teacher spaces, right? So when we did this as a staff, we did our brainstorming on a whiteboard and then took a picture of it and pasted it in, right? And then we sent this to the staff for feedback, right? And we looked at the themes and trends from our feedback. And if I'm looking at this, other themes that I might see are things for the tops of desks. So drawer organizer, pen holder, hex storage, laptop stand, okay? I'm also seeing tools for teaching, pointers, bookmarks, whiteboard caddies, okay? I'm seeing other organizational tools like keychains, cable clips, carabiners, door stops, right? So there's like 4 different themes or patterns that I'm seeing. And then from your 20 ideas and feedback, if you've got any from stakeholders, you're going to come up with 5 top ideas and you're going to describe them, right? You're going to describe them in 1 sentence and then how it works, okay? A picture is also, or a link to the idea is super helpful. So looking at this, a laptop stand, we have a picture, a set of bases is that we're describing it, okay? And then it works to hold up the laptop. That's the example. You can read these. I'll model how we're going to do that for you. Let's see, where did it go? Awesome. So let's say my project is working on designing a new space for a stadium. And one of our ideas that we liked was for a pool. So we're going to do a stadium pool seats. Okay, going to go to images. And these are all this. Okay, here we go. I'm at the pool. And here we go. Okay. Gonna drop in the image for a stadium, pool seats for the new stadium. Great. Describe 1 sentence. Pool that looks the people lounging during the game. How it works, provides alternative seating luxury experience by blending in something along those lines, how it works beyond what it is. Awesome. Moving on, if we're reviewing our problem statement at the top, all right, you're gonna write one paragraph explaining how your top 5 ideas meet this need. You're gonna use evidence from your research. So it's either research that you gathered of articles, research from stakeholders, research from testing things out and experimenting, right? But you have these 5 ideas and you need to be able to say and justify and provide rationale for why those 5 ideas are the best ideas. That goes back to, I can explain how my ideas meet users' needs with evidence. Right. This is helpful and will help you come up with a solution for your design challenge by trying to narrow your thinking for solutions as we start to work towards our final product. And right after this, we'll do the final prototype where you'll pick one of the 5. Awesome. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Good luck. Have fun.